Evaluate integral 1 upon x square plus 6x plus 13 into dx. Solution. See, in this case, consider the denominator, which is equal to x square plus 6x plus 13. We need to convert this expression, the sum or difference of two functions, or that is equal to x square plus 6x plus 13 is equal to, we can write this is x square plus 6, we can write 2 into 3x plus 13, which is equal to x square. See, 2 3 is a 6x into x is as it is. See, 2 into x into 3 plus 13, we can write 9 plus 4. We know that 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. At the same time, here is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. See here, observe here, this is x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3, we can write 9 square. At the same time, 4 we can write 2 square. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. So if we compare these to a square, here is x square, so a is equal to x. Next, plus 2 a, here is x, so a is equal to x. Next, into b, here is 3, so plus observe b square 3 square, so b is equal to 3. Substitute in the formula a plus b whole square, which is equal to, this is a plus b, but a is equal to x plus b is equal to 3 whole square. Instead of x square plus 2x into 3 plus 3 square, we can write x plus 3 whole square and plus 2 square. See, substitute this in the given question denominator, that is equal to integral of 1 upon x square plus 6x plus 13 into dx, which is equal to integral of 1 upon x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square into dx. This is the formula of integral of 1 upon x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. So compare these two. Integral 1 upon x square, here is x plus 1 whole square, so x is equal to x plus 3. Next, plus a square, here is 2 square, so a is equal to 2. Substitute in the formula, that is equal to integral of 1 upon x square plus 6x plus 13 into dx is equal to 1 by a is equal to 2, 1 by 2 tan inverse of x is equal to x plus 3 upon a is equal to 2 plus c. This is the answer.